Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. This time, we're going to solve some problem in grade 4, particularly in lesson 4.12 and lesson 4 puzzle number 13. Okay, so let's try to go in now in our code.org. So let's start. Click sign in. So here, sign in, and then write your code. Our code for grade 4 section D is DPXMDN. Okay, so this is our code. Then click go. Then look for your name. So my name is here. I'm in grade 4D now, class. Click. So my password for this class. Okay, and then click sign in. So this is my first time, so it asked about my age. And then, okay, so one of my students is asking, teacher, can you help me in lesson 4, 12, and 13? So this lesson 4 is titled Conditionals with Farmer. Okay, let's try. So we will go to lesson 12. Oh, this is a challenge. Lesson 12 in lesson 4, puzzle 12 in lesson 4 is a challenge. Okay, so conditionals with farmer, lesson number 12. This is a challenge. So our challenge is to, here challenge, we will read. The only way to get all the crops is to move forward until you get to the lettuce. Then turn left if there is a path to the left. Otherwise, turn right. So meaning to say, this is a conditional code now. Meaning to say, it says that when turn left, if, when you use the word if, meaning it's a condition. So turn left, kids, student, please remember this one. This is a conditional, okay, F. So it says that when turn left, if there is a path to the left. Meaning to say, if there is a path to the left, you need to turn left. Or otherwise, you need to turn right. You understand? Remember, you only need to use 9 blocks in our workspace. So let's start. How can we solve this problem? So if you can see, if you count the number of lettuce, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 lettuce. So we will do repeat, to do, repeat. Okay. So where is our, okay, repeat here. We will use this loop. Down here, we have this loop. How many times? 7. So we need to repeat it 7 times. Now what we are going to do, repeat until there is lettuce. Okay, repeat until there is lettuce. So what we're going to do, we need to move forward. So repeat until there is lettuce, do move forward. Remember that if there is a way, we will need to turn left, otherwise we need to turn right. Okay, so next is, while there is a lettuce here, we will add here, while there is a lettuce, do what? Do pick lettuce. Okay, and then remember, repeat until there is lettuce and then move forward. While there is a lettuce, do pick lettuce. So if you pass in this way, if you can see the lettuce, you need to pick it. Okay, and then the next one is, this is now the condition. When you use the word F, this is now the condition. If path to the left, you need to turn left. Otherwise, you need to turn right. You understand? So this is now the whole coding in this particular challenge. Meaning to say, we repeat 7 times because there are 7 letters here. And then the first one is repeat until there is a lettuce, do move forward. While there is a lettuce, do pick lettuce. Now, in terms of the path, F. If path to the left, turn left. Or else, you need to turn right. Let's try. Okay, so we solved the challenge. Challenge is complete, and we will move on now to the next, number 13. Click. So this is now the number 13. So it says here, move forward, instruction, move forward until you get the lettuce. Then turn the lettuce. If there's a path to the left, otherwise turn right. So if you can see, the condition is similar to lesson 4, number 12. So what we are going to do? So you count the number of letters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 letters. So we will repeat how many times? Should be 9. Okay. And then what we are going to do? Repeat until there is a lettuce. And so repeat until there's lettuce. So we need to move forward. Next, while there is a lettuce, what we are going to do? We need to pick the lettuce. Now this is now the condition again, similar to number puzzle 12. So if path to the left, of course we need to turn left. Otherwise, we turn right. Okay? So, let's try. Okay, and we're done with lesson 4, 12, and 13. Okay? Hopefully, it helps in doing your coding. And then, don't forget to subscribe our channel. Just click the button and the bell so that you will be notified for our next video in our channel. Thank you for watching. Till next time. Have a nice day.